I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make milkshake ice cream. First, gather your essential ingredients: ice cream, milk, and any flavorings you desire. Start by choosing your favorite ice cream flavor as the foundation for your delicious treat. Then, select a milk type, whether it's whole milk for richness or a dairy-free option for dietary needs. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your milkshake creation. Now, let's get to blending for that perfect milkshake consistency. Combine your chosen ice cream, milk, and any additional flavorings in a sturdy blender. Begin blending on a low speed to incorporate everything, then gradually increase the speed to medium or high. Continue blending until the mixture is smooth and creamy, but be careful not to overblend, which can make it too thin. Aim for a thick, pourable texture. Once you have your basic milkshake, it's time to get creative and customize it. Feel free to add delicious mix-ins like crushed cookies, fresh fruit, or a swirl of chocolate syrup for extra flavor. You can also adjust the sweetness to your liking with a spoonful of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or some maple syrup. Don't forget to experiment with fun toppings such as whipped cream, sprinkles, or a cherry on top for that perfect finish. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade milkshake ice cream. Carefully pour your perfectly blended creation into a tall glass. For an extra touch, garnish it with your favorite toppings, like a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a fresh strawberry. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, custom-made treat right away for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.